Hey guys, it's Katie. Today we're going to be going thrift shopping. My brother and I are going to be going to the Goodwill. He texted me today and said, do you want to go thrift shopping? And I said, sure. My dad's coming out right now. I'm not shopping for anything in specific, but we'll see what happens. Oh, here, these are fun men's t-shirts. This is like the bougie Goodwill, but they have this whole line of clothes. Everyone's staring at me because I'm holding a camera in my face. These are all men's like nice shirts, and if you unbutton them, they can make really cute tops to put over stuff. So that's what we're looking at. Chase is over there. I don't know what he's doing. He's never been thrift shopping, but I love it. This is so fun. Maybe I should do like a styling ugly Goodwill pieces, ugly clothing from the thrift store. I know Emma Chamberlain did that. That might be really fun. Let me know if you want to see that. I mean, I'm not very good with outfits, but I could always try. Something just caught my attention, and I'm pretty sure it's in the baby section. If they had this in my size, I would buy it right now. Maverick. This is Logan Paul merch. So I'm in the jeans section and I'm looking at Levi's. There's a bunch of vintage Levi's right here. I don't know if any of them are gonna fit, but they look cute. I don't know if I'm in the girls or the guys section, but we're gonna try these on. I have a lot of stuff in my hands. What I like to do when I go thrift shopping is just grab everything that I like a lot immediately. I'll never know where to go back and find it because there's so much stuff. I have jeans, shirts, skirts, lots of stuff. We'll try on in a little bit, but I'm gonna keep making my way. This will be very useful. We have a cart now. There are actually a lot of people here and it's making me a little uncomfy to shop and vlog, but I did find a few things. I'm gonna try them on right now in the dressing room. That's where I am. Here is my pile and now we're going to shop. My door wasn't locked. The lights just went out. Bruh. The lights just went out. I'm scared. Well, this is the second skirt that I got and it's a super cute white one. I actually really like this and I think I'll definitely wear it in spring. So, oh, they're back on now. I think this is super cute though. I like it a lot. These are actually super cute jeans and I never wear jeans. Everyone knows this. But the thing is, they're too low-waisted for me where it makes me uncomfy. They don't even go close to my belly button, which I don't like, but they fit good. If they were high-rise, I would like them. Look at all this old technology. That's really cute. Oh, do they have a waffle maker? Popcorn maker. Dude, this is 15 bucks. I went and tried on all the bottoms that I had and I only ended up liking the skirt. The rest were too big or the jeans were too low-waisted for me, which I didn't like. Bro, look at this Shrek. Distracted. Okay, I'm gonna go through my shirts now. Super cute Guy Harvey shirt, which I know I'll wear a lot, so I'm thinking about getting it. And it's worn in, which I love worn in shirts. Then there's polo long sleeve men's. I love this. And then this camo shirt, so I don't know what I'm gonna get. We're home from the Goodwill, obviously, and I did make 2 purchases, so I thought I would share with you guys a little haul. I just grubbed on some fat little Caesar's pizza. Look at all that. Oh yeah. What's their slogan? Pizza, pizza. The first thing I got is this super cute white skirt. I've been looking to find one of these white skirts for a long time because I think it's a staple item that you can wear with a lot of different clothes. And at the bottom, it's super pretty and lacy. And in the back of it, it's very stretchy. So this one is by the brand Douchey. It was $6 from the Goodwill. And then the last thing I got is this polo Ralph Lauren men's extra large crew neck. I love men's crew necks. They're so comfy. This one is oversized, obviously, and this was also $5.99. I think it was a success. I didn't need anything, but of course, I can't help it when I spend money, so. Hi, guys.
I just had a lick with the box.
It's the same day, but Cole just came over, and he's gonna stay over for a little while. He brought me my birthday present. The boys are going down the stairs on a couch. What's it called?
A mattress.
A mattress. Okay, let me show you my present. He bought me these NMDs. I've been wanting them for the longest time. Don't mind my big old fluffy socks that I'm wearing now.
She has to wear the chunkiest socks.
I love them though. I've been asking for these for a really long time. I wanted them for Christmas, but I got them for my birthday. Neon pink, neon green, white, and then neon orange. What you doing out here with all that? Oh my gosh, I zoomed in on it. This is what they're working down. They're sliding down on this mattress down the whole staircase, and then to secure them is a beanbag, some pillows, and a chair. They've been doing this for like 30 minutes. This is what our Friday nights at home are looking like. Me wearing fluffy socks with my new shoes with the tag still on them, and my brother's going down. Why is there so much booty in this video? Every time I record someone, their butt cheeks are in it. They're pushing off now. Oh no, this is bad. Hi guys, this is a continuation of yesterday's vlog. So I'm at Kohl's now and we're about to tie-dye a bunch of stuff, shirts and socks and one of his underwears.
No.
But we have this big old bucket that he bought and we're gonna be tie-dyeing all this. So I'm just adding this to this vlog because I think it'll be fun and fresh. We set down the placemat already and I've started filling up some of the dyes and it already got all over my fingers. So I'm not gonna be surprised if my fingers turn a bunch of different colors now. Cole's putting on gloves, which is probably a good idea, but look how many we have. Lots and lots of colors. Ow, there's a stick in my butt.
Oh, this one's greenish, but it looks blue.
All these dark reds look the same. So you don't have to wrap it in rubber bands?
Yeah, in little balls.
Does it matter how you wrap them?
No, I don't think so. So we've done a little bit of blue, and I'm only gonna do one more color on this sock.
My fingers are frozen! This is what my sock looks like. I just tied it in 3 little sections. Now I'm doing the other side.
Oh my gosh. Sorry, Dad.
I'm done with my socks. Pretty boring.
Yours are really bright.
Yes, I like it. We finished our socks, our shirt, and Cole did his underwear. So I'm gonna show you what they look like. They have to sit for like 6 hours and then you wash them to get all the dye out. But I'm gonna show you what we got so far. These are my Nike socks. I did yellow and blue and they're super cute. I'm really excited about those and I hope they turn out well. Cole did these socks, which are like these green and red color. Then he did his Supreme boxers with this like red and pink looking print. He got like white shirts and did this purple, blue, yellow, all different kinds of colors. And my shirt I think is the best, just saying.
Yeah.
Yellow, dark blue, pink, and red. So hopefully those turn out well. We're gonna clean up because that is a big ol' mess. LOL, so I'm currently at Zaxby's, which is a fast food restaurant, waiting for my mom to pick me up because I get out of school at 2:30 and my dad's on a business trip and my mom works all day, obviously. So she couldn't pick me up from school today, so I'm sitting here waiting for her to pick me up. My mother abandoned me. So I never ended this vlog, but Cole did bring me my final tie-dye today and I wanted to show you guys and end this vlog. I think this vlog was super fun. We went thrifting, we tie-dyed, I hung out with Cole, and we had a lot of stuff going on. Here is what my shirt ended up looking like. To be honest, I think mine turned out so good. I'm sorry, there's like a lot of people around here and they're all staring at me. It turned out really good. The tie-dye looks good. He washed it and everything too. And I think it's pretty. Like I'll probably wear this to sleep, a sleep shirt, around the house shirt. I like it a lot. All the colors showed up really well. By far, they're the best. Like this was the best tie-dye thing we did, I think. Look at these. Look at these tie-dye socks, y'all. The Nike side. It just looks so good. And they have like little dry fit on the toes. I was showing everybody what they look like today and they were like, they look like you just bought them. And I was like, I know, I'm so talented. I'm really happy with the way my tie-dye turned out and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm probably gonna sit here for another hour until my mommy picks me up, but thank you guys for watching. I'm also currently wearing my merch. If you did not see, I came out with merch. You can go check it out by clicking the link down below or going to caitiscorner.myshopify.com to check it out. I have 2 different designs. One's Caiti's Corner with the beautiful sunflower, and then there's this Caitsters. And so many of y'all have placed orders. I could not be any more thankful. It's already arrived at some of your houses and I've seen it on Instagram, which is crazy. I love you. I've been nonstop and wearing mine. This is my Caitsters on the blue hoodie, but the Caiti's Corner on the blue hoodie looks so pretty. I definitely recommend. But we sell them on hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves. There's hats, stickers, and laptop cases, which I have right underneath me, and they're all so good. Like I'm biased, but y'all will love them. I'm gonna stop rambling. I love you. Thank you for watching. Follow all my social medias and I'll see you in the next vlog on this vlog channel. Bye. Pray that I get picked up for my mom. Peace in the Middle East.